Hello, I'm going to show you how to insert our filing template into one of your own bookkeeping spreadsheets. So we're on the 123 Sheets website. You can download our filing template by going to Accountants and then download VAT or Self-Employed or Landlord. Or alternatively, if you're already logged in, you can go to a client and you can then click on download filing worksheet on VAT. That will download a VAT one or an income tax one. Let's use this one. So yeah, download filing worksheet, and we're going to take a Excel 2010 self-employed one. There's a variety of other worksheets here. The Excel 1997 one is the old style .xls file that goes up to Excel 2009. But in this situation, we're using a 2010 plus Excel spreadsheet. So I download the filing template first, and that's now here. And I can open that up. Click on Enable. And now what I need to do is to open my bookkeeping spreadsheet. So if I do that, and so I've got both of these two open, and I now need to insert the filing template into the bookkeeping spreadsheet. So there's a couple of ways to do it. Here's a simple way. You click on View and then View Side by Side. And if that doesn't work, you can then click on Reset Window Position. Now you can see I've got both spreadsheets open at the same time, quite simply. And if you highlight the filing worksheet uh, first, and you can then click on the little tab down the bottom and drag and drop that into my bookkeeping spreadsheet, and now I have inserted the filing template into my bookkeeping spreadsheet. Of course, you don't have to insert the filing template into your spreadsheet. You can keep them separately, but this is how you would do it if you wanted to do that. Okay, let's show you a different way. So let's just delete that. So in this other way, what you can do is just basically resize the windows. So click on the little squares at the top, and then I can resize this window. And let's just put this to one side here. And then let's say I now open my filing template again. And here it is here. And again, you can use the squares if it's maximized already to reshape the appearance of that filing template how you wish. And then if you click on the filing template to activate that worksheet, then you can click on the little tab and drag and drop it into the space where the tabs go for your bookkeeping spreadsheet. And here you can see it's now inserted into my bookkeeping spreadsheet. Thank you very much.